Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with DeLonghi Magnifica S, and this machine was brought in because the beans weren't making it through the grinder unless the customer was forcing the beans physically with their hand. And so we found that the grinder was getting power, and so it must be the grinder that was the problem. So we replaced it, now it's working, and let's test it. See, it's pulling in beans just fine, which will be evidenced by a brown shell. Looking good. There we go. It's just over 1 ounce. DeLonghi Magnifica S working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.